the color? See how it flips? Change different colors for wrap. The Dodge what? So what now? See? You don't like seats with color? I like it.
I'm sorry for that.
That one is like a twin to the other one, huh? Huh? Look at some other stuff. Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Kevin Cook, and thank you for watching Rise with Cam, the channel with car shows seen through a child's eye. Today, we're going to talk about Car Show Etiquette 101. There are times when Cam wants his friends to come along with us to hang out during the car show outings. And I want them to come, but I'm too nervous, okay? Alright, scared. I'm scared to be responsible for someone else's child who hasn't been or is not used to going to car shows and knowing some basic car show etiquette. I have some friends on this, some older friends around my age that are the same way. They don't know that. Okay, I know I'm not the only person, car dude, or whatever you want to call me, who feels this way. Am I? Okay, well, maybe I am guilty. I'm sorry, I'm guilty. So I thought, hey, why don't you make a car show etiquette video so all the other Kevins in the world can feel more comfortable about taking their child's friends along to the car shows and the car meets. Let's just say, this will be a guideline that you can send to the parents of your child's best friend, so they will have an idea of what car show etiquette is. Also, to the dads out there who really want to involve their children in their car hobby, you can use this instructional video as a reference tool of what to do at a car show meet and what not to do at a car show meet. Y'all ready? Okay, let's get started. When we are at the shows and you're walking around, first you always want to observe from a distance. We also don't want to touch the show cars. We don't want to damage someone's hard work. And try not to wear loose jeans or dangling jewelry. Unbuttoned jackets with loose zippers or rings can come into contact with the car and leave an accidental scratch that we all don't want to happen. And also, parents, always keep a safe eye out on your children at these car shows or any event where there are moving vehicles located. In this scene, we're going to take a look at and discuss some good etiquette techniques that Cameron uses as he goes looking and enjoying a monthly car show that we always attend. Let's take a look at it. Notice Cameron is wearing soft sweatpants and a soft hoodie. Also notice the distance he is standing away from the cars as he is moving around. Check out the location of his arms as he gets close to the vehicle. That's a non-touching stance. Did you notice how he pointed out a particular point of interest? He is far away enough to not come in contact with the owner's vehicle.
Put that on there. Let's see what it is.
Okay, scene 3. Review cam in motion. Alright, I'm not going to do too much talking on this, and I'm just going to let Cameron just go ahead and go. To me, in this one right here, it looks like he's doing a lot of, like he's a car show judge. So I'm going to say this is his car show judge stance. I'm going to call it that, okay? Y'all check him out.
Right? Yeah. Look at this thing right here. Connect to that. Wow, that was beautiful. That's a 325. That's what kind of movie. Yeah, this is a great kind of like these roads are just very nice. Very nice. The other part, they should have did dark lights on the back.
Dark lights on the back.
Okay, everybody, that wraps it up on our Car Etiquette 101 video. Hopefully everyone got some useful information, and all the Kevins and the little Cams can bring all of their little best friends to hang out with them and enjoy the car shows. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and follow us on social media at Rides with Cam on Instagram and Rides with Cam on Twitter, so you can receive weekly notifications when we provide new videos and content. The information will be in the description of this video. Once again, send a request to join and let us know that you've seen the video, and submit some car shows we can visit in your area. We also will be doing live question and answers in the future through Instagram, so follow us there, particularly there, so you don't miss out. Thanks again, and help us spread the content to the world. Peace out.
And that's where it poops pie out.
No, it don't. That's where you hook up a trailer to it. And that was an air tank. It got air ride on it. It has air ride on it. Yes. Gas tank. Yeah.